Hello and welcome back. I'm teacher Kaai. Today we are taking a look at a grammar lesson. Oh no, everyone hates it, but today I promise it's very easy and one that you will use all the time because this is one of our staple verbs. The verb to be, which becomes am, is, and are. You'll be using this verb for so many different things. So you'll be very happy to finally master the usage of to be and learn how to conjugate it. Let's begin. What is the verb to be? So many different things. So let's take a look. We use the verb be to talk about names, ages, feelings, location, position, nationalities, dates, time, holidays, and professions. You also will use the verb to be to describe something or someone. You also will use this verb to talk about actions happening right now. Let's look at a few examples of how the conjugated forms of to be, am, is, and are used in sentences. You can say, I am American. They are eating dinner. My bed is pink. They are from Brazil, but she is from Laos. She is at the airport. I am tired of grammar. Are you confused? Let's break down the subject and match it with its conjugation. When you use the subject I, we must use the conjugation am. For subject I am. I am. Cannot say, she am a girl. He am going to the store. We am here. Nope, nope, nope. You must say, I am a girl. I am going to the store. I am here. Am. Very often in spoken English, we will contract words. This means that we take two words and put them together to make a new word. Very often in spoken conversation and when you're texting your friends, you'll use I'm. I am becomes I'm. I'm. Sentences like I am a girl. I am going to the store. I am here will naturally become I'm a girl. I'm going to the store. I'm here. For your other three subjects, he, she, it, you must use the conjugation is. 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 He is. She is. It is. You cannot say, they is in my house. We is in Spain. I is outside. No. Mm-mm. We must say, he is in my house. She is in Spain. It is outside. When you use is, be sure to use the appropriate subjects. He, she, it. those contractions once again. Very often in spoken English, we will take two words and put them together. It's faster, it's easier. She is becomes she's. 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 He is becomes he's. 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 It is becomes its. It's. It's. She's. He's. It's. Sentences like, he is in my house. She is in Spain. It is Christmas can be found. He's in my house. She's in Spain. It's Christmas. No, it's not. For our next three subjects, they, we, you must use the conjugation are, are, are. They are, we are, you are. You cannot say, I are happy. He are at the airport. It are the best. Mm-mm. They are happy. We are at the airport. You are the best. With subjects they, we, and you must use the conjugation are. We love to contract our words. They are becomes there. 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 We are becomes we're. 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 You are becomes your. 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 Let's take a look at how we can change our sentences. They are happy becomes they're happy. We are at the airport. We're at the airport. You are the best. You're the best. Okay, let's practice. They, very friendly. Which word fits best in this sentence? Am, is, or are? That's right. They are very friendly. Did you get it? Let's try another one. He, my newest friend. Should I use am, is, or are? Okay. He is my newest friend. Nice work. We, artists. Am, is, are. We, artists. Great job. We are artists. She, from Finland. Am is are. Huh. Let's check it out. She is from Finland. Nice work. Let's try a date. It, July 17th. It am, it is, it are. July 17th. Awesome. It is July 17th. I, learning English. Am, is, are. That's right. I am learning English. Great job. But what if we want to say it's not true? How can we negate our sentences? You'll find out it's very easy. This will probably be the most exciting part about English. You can use I am not. I'm not. She is not. She's not. He is not. He's not. They are not. They're not. We are not. We're not. It is not. It's not. All you have to do is add not after your conjugation. For example, I am not American. They are not eating dinner. My bed is not pink. They are not from Brazil, and she is not from Laos. She is not at the airport. I am not tired of grammar. Is that true? Let's give it a try. You can choose true or false. Let's negate a few sentences and correct them together. Huh. The calendar says July 15th. It is July 17th. Is that true or false? It is not July 17th. It is July 15th. Now it's true. Let's try another. They are from Japan. Huh. Is that the Japanese flag? How can I say it's not true? They are not from Japan. They are from Turkey. Nice work, nice work. Let's try another. I am not learning English. Let's correct this sentence. I am learning English. Great job. Wonderful work practicing using am, is, and are in your sentences. Take a look at the uses of the verb and try to create your own sentences. Nice work today. See you next time. Bye bye.